Oh no, these aren't the same ones you filmed, are they?
They're not.
Ooh. I'm filming this on my phone, just because why not? Oh,
Oh, we've got cool pencils.
that's accessible. $2021. Lucky escape.
Can't take on another ride.
Nah,
That's a shame.
it's
Wait,
not.
hang on.
Yes, 2's unlocked.
Try it. Call cancel. Well, this was an unexpected treat.
Yeah. Wait, this one is actually accessible. Offices, lift 1.
Ah, yeah, you see, they're still doing work on it.
There's the whole. Wonder if it's green or not. They don't do it green anymore though. Nah, it's blue.
Fair enough.
Just doing door close because that's the way to turn off. Hold. Wait, do they do the different chimes though?
Someone's getting 1 on 3.
Oh, this one has its cab. Oh, this is like the.
This one's like the cab that this one's like the cab that I got. Go on.
Yeah. Yeah. These are like the accessible lifts in this building, but the high-rise lifts are apartments, so.
Yeah, no chance at those ones.
Oh yeah, we got nearly all the voice announcements apart from one. Should we do it?
Try it.
This one doesn't chime.
Not much to see in this one. The cab's padded up.
I just realized we've been filming for nearly 4 minutes.
Oh well, I can't see on this camera. I'll find out when I get home.